Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I'm just testing my system. Okay. So later, so if my system is properly set up, so later on we can have a discussion. We can have discussion of any chart, so we can analyze. So I have designed a system which is very accurate. Okay. So it can it can analyze any chart. So here only we will discuss about the chart analysis. We will not discuss any other things. Okay, just for that this is the only for the analysis purpose. Okay, and if you want to any decision you can make yourself. Okay, so here we are not providing any information and where you have to enter, where you have to edit. No, just we are analyzing the chart, what are the chart structure and what are the chart structure says, and especially I will demonstrate here about my model, how my model is working, okay, on the live charts. Okay, so this is the only to demonstration why my model which is very accurate and verify with the live data for the different assets chart. Okay, so we can take later on we can discuss different charts. And today is Sunday. Sunday only the one Bitcoin is running, right? Only the crypto market is running. Other all the markets, right? All due to Sunday, all are closed. Okay. So for especially this I'm just set up in I'm just setting the system. Okay, so I have set up all the things and things that I'm testing. So I hope this is visible. Yeah, it is working fine and all audio wise video. Yeah, so the stream also is very, yeah, it's I hope it is not lacking. Okay, and yeah. So we will look in the detail later on. First, like just this video for the just testing the system. As you know, the system which as yeah, the system like if I switch off all the things, right, then how the Bitcoin chart will look. As you know, the chart look like here. This is the if you see the 15-minute charts, you can see the Bitcoin 15-minute charts, right? Chart like that. If you want to see in the more detail, just you can switch on the line chart. Okay, you can see the Bitcoin right here. So what are the how the Bitcoin is moving, right, in the real time. So you see how Bitcoin price is moving in the real time. Okay, so you see the from the 6th of June, then 7 June, 8 June, 9 June. These are the previous 3 days statics. Okay, so we can look at, yeah. So this is the Bitcoin chart. Yeah. So if I switch on my model here, you can see that I have designed this my model. This is very accurate and is, yeah. So you see there are different projection point is here, and we can detect all the, yeah, right, where the where the market is taking reversal. Okay, so and also my system is provide the signal. I have put it the one way indications indicator where we, yeah, yeah. So and it will work for all the time frame. As you see all the time frame, see the projection point here. So and here, see here, this projection up to here, right, then market just take the reverse from here. Okay, so now as my model suggesting here that this candle, if this is what are the criteria we have set, provide whatever the criteria we provide into the our model, based on that it will give you the some reverse, you see. Yeah, so now as you see, we got the reversal signs here, but at that, as you know, market now is bullish, it is having the bullish nature from here, right? So and so here there is a different prospects, right? We cannot take decision based on the one confirmation, and we have a different, we need to look into the different parameters and different aspect, like we need to take the overview of the market trend in the larger time frame, like day, right? What are the thing, what are the trend, what are the market trend market is following, right? So you can have the different views. You can write day, then you can switch to the hourly chart. You can have a look at what are the statics, right? What is the market trend at the 1 hour chart. So you can switch over the 15-minute charts, and you can have a look the 15-minute chart. Okay, then make on the 59 you can make your yeah. See, and 5 minute also you can, if you are in very short, if you are entering very short time, so then you can have a very better way to, you can go in the 5 minute, then you switch on the 1 minute. You see, I'm just showing the my design model. It is working for all the time frame. You see here it is working and giving the some signals. So we have put in some signals here, so where we need to make our decision. So so based on that, so it will provide the, it is having very accurate, very accurate convection. It will have very high convection rate of my design model. Okay, so and you see, like the signal is, suppose the signal is coming here, so it's mean sign that this is whatever the whatever the candle is forming is sign mean it has the reverse. But we need to look that is locally we can see, but we need to look into the bigger picture. Okay, so now I think this is fine. I think my setup is ready. So then sometime we can fix a time, so then we can come, and I will basically I will give you some basic points where we need to look into it, right? So then you can make a better decision and you can improve your accuracy. Okay, so this is the only the motivation. Here you see the signal. Suppose this reversal, this is sign of the reversal candle. Okay, it shows here, my model is suggesting here. So some candle, what are the candle is forming. So based on that, the sign is, see that this candle may be the sign of the trend, trend might be reverse. It will take reverse from here. Okay, so they just, this is the 1 minute. This is a very less time frame, right? So I'm just showing my capacity, or you can say capability of my model. It can work for all the time frame. So you see here all the projection. You see it even if it work all the time frame, weekly, daily, any you can select it, any asset you can select. Okay, suppose this is the Bitcoin. Suppose you want to take the look, you want to take have a look of this. No, this is gold market is not running, right? Only the Ethereum, right? And BTC is running. You can see if you are looking into the Ethereum, so you see that this is the Ethereum chart. Okay. So you can see there. See, if you look into the hourly chart, see here. So if you look in the hourly chart of the Ethereum, you see since the activity here, since the market is made here, right here up to what is the number here. So this number is 2626, right? So then you see it is consolidated here at this point. You see very narrow range. After that you see the our model is given the sign here. So here you see the sign of the our model is suggesting here. Then you can see how much market is moved here. So later on that you see, so these swings will not, and one more point important, what is the projection point, or this is a resource point, right, of the projection. These point are, you will see on the latest current chart of the 5, 1, 2, 3 or 5, 4 to 5, right? So you will not see the previous one. As the market move, that this will disappear, that another source point will be generated. Okay, so based on that, see, you can see our accuracy of our model. See, there is no activity, big activity. You just need to follow our system. Okay, it will give you the some position point. Okay, so then you see it is giving, and the what is the main special feature of our design model. It will suggest only very less SL. See, if you enter in this candle, so then you see very few, you just only be a very few, right? You can put it even the SL of the previous candle. Okay, so that SL is very small. That is the beauty of our design model. So it will give only the mostly positive result. Initially I said, right, this is the, it is a very high convection rate. So this so as you know, we cannot make any a decision based on the one time frame. So this is the bigger picture, right? If you see the bigger picture, this you have here, right? Then you up to you can capture some point here, right? How much market is fall from here. So if you here see up to here, if you here, so mean 14 hours is to market fall around 250 points here from here, right? See, the SL is very shaped here, right? So then again our because, and this target also it can be it can be defined. See, if switch on this here, switch off my model, you see every line. So one more important point here, you don't need to you don't need to draw any support line, any resistance line, any line. You don't need to put anything. Automatically once a click, it will generate it, it will create it, right? So that is a very beauty. And what are the labels is drawing here by a model? These are very master level and minor levels. So they market respect those levels, okay? So and the projection pie, you see the projection pie market has made the reversal here, right? And it will go here to see the label, exactly label, what are the label. So as this the dynamic level, it can change as per the market move, right? So then so this is the one way you can take a look for 15 minutes, right? See here. So as you have taken the 1 hour view, right? After that you can switch on the 15-minute view, right? So time frame. So then you can have a look at this. Okay. So after that you can switch on the 5-minute, right? So you see. So it is suggesting, it is suggesting most, and you need to already when market is sideways, then you don't need to enter, right? So then you need to wait for wait for, because see already suppose you have an enter here, so then you lost this point, you lost, right? This is the perfect entry here, right? So then you go here. So if you see, suppose model is suggesting you that it will not give you the bigger point because you lost it this opportunity here. So this is the not right the place. So our model is suggesting that where you have where very good suitable points where people make your decision, right? So then you can enter into market. So then you see here. So these are source point, right? So these are the very important projecting points. So you see, I'm not drawing any resistance any all, right? I'm just switching my model only here. Okay, so here. So and so if I'm drawing, so you see my model always suggests all the things. You see here, but see whatever the position you make, SL is very less. See, if you see model is suggesting the projective point here. Suppose if you enter here, right? But this is not the right way, right? You suppose market has to come here, right? This is the point, right? This is the entering point, right? So then you can have the very less here, because is sort the point of reversal. So then you have the correct position here. So then you can make entry here, any candle also here. You should enter only this point, not here, is this here. So then whenever the market come to the reach this point, then it can be executed, right? So then you see here and see here. So that I'm just explaining, I'm not suggesting anything, I'm just explaining about my model, how my model is suggesting and how my design model is work, right? We have spent so much time on this, we have done the research, a lot of research, then we came into some conclusion here. So then this is very more accurate. So we can see later on. So now suppose if you want to see if you are very fast, if you are able to do the analysis within the 1 month, 1 minute time frame, you can also use. So if you are not making decision in the very short time frame, then you need to switch the bigger time frame. So then it's depend on the users decision making capacity, how much time user is taking time to decide something, right? So then it's based on completely user, right? I have developed that expertise. I can make decision any time frame of any chart. Okay, we can keep any asset charts. Okay, so then it's up to completely on user side. Okay, so see the third and my yeah, see 3 frame, see 3 if you look into the 3 minute charts. Okay, so then it is having for the 3 point, this is the Ethereum, right? So up to here, and yeah, so as you know, yeah, see this is the yeah, yeah, right. So now suppose this is only, I'm just testing my system. Okay, so it's not a like this is not systematic, we will look into the systematic way. So today I'm looking my setup, it is working on now. Later on I will review how what is the performance my system is giving, like my setup is giving by like recording voice is clear, and the video is coming clear, it's not being freezing. So that I will review later on. Okay, so just and you can have a look previously we have seen the Bitcoin chart. Okay, so you can see here like what just switching over the Bitcoin chart. See here, so see the level, right? The power of our level. So we don't look into the any support and anything, right? So suppose I'm switching every whatever the drawing on my chart. See here, just what need to I do? I need to switch on my model only, right? Design model. It will give you the correct picture. So what is the current state of the market? You don't need to spend more time here. Okay, the model is suggesting you what are the things you need to just be in the market and observe the make based on this data, whatever the you have analyzed, based on that you can make your decision. Okay, you see 1 minute also, 3 minutes, 5 minutes you can have. Oh, I told you that that the projection points, and I know this is the why the market is reversing. This exactly I have the reason for this. Okay, so I will not explain here because that is very advanced concept here. So yeah, so market respect our whatever the analysis we have done, what are basically this we have done the so much research on that, then we came on the final conclusion, and we are just strength, so then we included in our model, and we updated developing that in the some primary first version. So that we have just simply that this model like you can see here the some symbols are coming. So these are indication symbol is that. So we have started from there. Then this we have refined tuned. We have considered different. Hello. Yeah. So you see every point market respect our system. You look like market. Just you don't need to do anything, right? Just you need to click on that this button. Okay. So everything in front of you. And you can see, even you can see the back test of ours. So it is very accurate, right? So yeah, so here, so as I initially I told you that the projection point or the source of projection point, it will be only showing the latest one. Previously, suppose 1 2 3 4 5 latest projection point. Suppose market move here after some time, right? So then this projection point will be disappear, another will be formed. Okay, so these are the model we have designed. So later on we will see the detail by topic how the market move, right? Suppose see I don't have so currently suppose this one, as you know, if you how these points are helping to us to identify the next move, right? So you see the researcher, if you draw like just I'm just switching here my drawing. So suppose you can make a circle here, you source point here, this is your source point here. So this is the minor source point, right? Then you have the source point here. Okay, then you have the source point here. So suppose suppose there is another advanced concept. If you want to draw the Elliott here, this is the resourcing point, right? So then you can go up to here, then three points here, then it is reversing here, and it will go up to here. So you see, if you correctly measure, then you see in a it's a very system you have designed you have drawn the Elliott wave on the your our current chart. Okay, so after that, you know, this is the 0 to 1 2 3 4 5 wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave, this is the right, this is the uptrend, this is the retrace. So wave 1 2 3 4, this is we call the impulse. impulse wave. Okay, so and after that it made the correction, right? So it will start from the correction, then what is that, it will go and like that. So this is exact number, we will look into that. We are not just we have the method, so we can exact move, we can where it has to go, right? Like that here. So like that here. So like that, where this point will go, where this point up to what the price will take from this point to this pair. So we can exactly calculate it. Okay, that is the, it will take this time. So there we have the wave. Okay, so then this we call the correct impulse wave. Then we have the corrective wave, zero here, a wave, b wave, c wave. Okay, so and this wave pointer. So if you are drawn this wave, if market is not following here, so mean you have drawn the wrong point, you have decided the wrong position of this points. 1 point 2 3, these are the not correct point. If you are not market is not falling correctly, so mean market is working properly, but you have not decided which is the correct location, correct points, right? Yeah, so that yeah, so I think this is the good yeah, this is the up to is sufficient to test my system. Okay, so then we can have a, yeah, so up to now, yeah, if you have any query, just you can comment it. Or I will not look into the comment, just you can have drop and drop a mail. Okay, so then we can look at my mail ID is here mentioned here. Yeah, we can look and we can discuss personally. Okay, yeah, thank you guys. So I will review the review the this my setup. It is good, but it is recording fine, or it is voice by voice wise by recording my the picture is coming clarity, and other things I will look into it. Okay, so till that, see you, till that guys, see you, then we will discuss very good topics. Okay, in the, we are not like simply like we are the research person. Whatever we do a lot of research. Not here, we do have the 16 year of experience, so of the research we do the proper research, then analysis, then we just come here and to demonstrate some concept here. So we will not continue here, just whatever, whenever we feel we can come here. Okay, so then later we will decide what we will do. Just mostly we will analyze the thing, so how we can look into the graph, how and analyze a very advanced and systematic way. Okay, so not like we are you see here till from the starting point I have not drawn like here like resistance support, like here I have not drawn, as you see I have not drawn any line here, like here and here, I have not, you see from the starting I have not drawn. We are not like that, we are not and also you have seen I have not seen the even candle characteristic, right? So I have not seen the candle characteristic, like what type of candle. I know the candlestick concept, right? But no, our concept is not like that here. Okay, so like mostly see, this is the, like people say what is the candle here, so that is very big candle form right here, Marul also, right? See here, see this is the candle, like, so I have not talked any candle from the starting number, right? Did you notice that? Yes, so only the concept here, and the echo convection rate is very high from my design model. Okay, so see you then guys, I will leave you. Yeah.